If you want to get a live wallpaper on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you can go ahead and open the Theme Store app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer or on the home screen, of course. Once you go over here, you should be able to switch to the live wallpapers category. And now we can try to find any wallpaper that you might want to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here as an example. We can use the apply button at the bottom of the screen in order to download the wallpaper. And then we can set it for the home screen or both home and lock screen. I'm gonna set it for both. And there we go, we should be done. Now if I go to the home screen, as you can see, we have a animated wallpaper. Now if you're looking for more video wallpapers or more animated wallpapers, you can also use the Play Store and you can download an app that allows you to get, for example, video wallpaper. So you can type video wallpaper in here in order to find all the apps that in theory should allow you to do so. I think one of the most popular options is this Zedge app, and it actually has lots of different wallpapers. So I'm gonna install the app and I'm gonna see if we can set up the live wallpaper with this app over here. And of course, feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. So once we open the app, we're gonna agree to terms of service over here. We're gonna accept this as well. We then have to agree to notifications and we can close this premium offer. Now over here, we're gonna switch to video wallpapers and now we can try to find anything that we might want to use. So let's say we're gonna choose this category over here with cars and vehicles, and let's try to find something interesting. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We of course have the preview as well. So you can try to find anything that you might like the most. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. So now we can use this purple button at the bottom of the screen, just like that. And we have two options. We can watch an ad to get the video wallpaper, or we can use credits that we have on our account. And once you install the app on your phone, you get 10 credits from the start. So in my case, I'm just gonna watch an ad. All right, now we can close the ad. And then we should be able to find this set video wallpaper options. We're gonna tap over here and we should be able to set it up. Let's use apply to. We're gonna choose lock screen and home screen and tap on apply in the upper right corner. There is a chance that if you do so, then you won't have the wallpaper just like I do over here. So what I usually do is I go to the app again. Let's try to reopen it. Then we're gonna go to my Zedge over here in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose the wallpaper again. We can try to set it up one more time. Sometimes you have to do this twice, sometimes even more to make it work, but there we go, now it works just fine. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.